ATC, we start with monthly chart. You want to see what we have been looking for. And if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking at this one as a correction. The targets based on monthly, we're looking is 48, 69, following by 85. Then we can look for all-time high. We have to see the breakout of any of this level as a resistance. Even we can look at the targets. And if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation, we don't see any new things. And if we move to daily chart, all right. Based on daily chart, okay, first things, we have to see the breakout of the previous top, following by 39. Okay, then we can the targets as we mentioned based on higher time frame. We want to see the breakout of the 48. Based on daily before after we see the breakout of the 48, then the next target, this is the daily target, is we are looking for is 48 following by 56. With the breakout of this zone, then if we move to higher time frame with the breakout of the 56, then we can look for 69 and 85 following by all-time high. Okay, this is how we're looking at the chart. And based on daily chart, again, we have to see the breakout of the previous top. That's mean if the price could break the previous top, then we can look for 48 and 56 as the target, the short term take profit. And if this one turned to deeper correction, how deep it can go, we can look for 29 and 27. Okay, that's mean if we get the price couldn't continue and it start to drop, this is the support we have to look for. And if we move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, now we can see why we come up with the 29 and 27. Because if we put this top in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. We can expect the price continue as a corrective following by divergence, then we get the deeper correction. That means if anyone wants to look for buy from here, mostly we have to look for the flag based on lower time frame, then we should be aware of the divergence. That means if there is a continuation as a sharp move, we are okay, we are safe. If not, the continuation as a corrective, then we should know how to watch out our trade and how deep it can go. And we don't expect to see the breakout of this zone 27, because if it's happened, then everything will be different. All right, but at this point we don't need to, we are not going into the details. The only thing is we need to look at, I mean, if it start to drop, we have to be quite careful about 29 and 27 as a short term. And if we move to lower time frame, 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Anyway, for me the only option is if to look for trade to put our entry above the top. Is not really good, but we can look at. We want to see if it this happen. We want to see the continuation as a sharp move, not the corrective. To make it very simple, if we move to daily chart, the first target I'm looking for at least to see the breakout of is 48. And mostly here the price give us a daily correction, then it can give us really good opportunity and safe trade setup to look for. And we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.